If you want a perfect electric bike to start off with, the GoTrax Emerge Electric Commuter Bike is the ideal choice for beginners that want a usable ride for point-to-point rides and daily commuting. It has a weight limit of 265 pounds and is one of the latest electric bikes with a key start feature installed. It comes with a 250-watt rear hub electric motor and gives this lightweight bike good acceleration and speed. The Emerge comes with a throttle and pedal assist and has a max speed of 20 miles per hour. Its compact but highly durable 36-volt 7.5 amp-hour battery pack is located inside the lower tube frame, allows it to cover a max range of 27.9 miles. The GoTrax Emerge comes with a classic road bike frame and MTB-inspired features, such as front fork suspension, a sleek and sporty saddle, and 26-inch rims, giving it an overall balance in any terrain. This commuter bike is equipped with shock-absorbing, wear-resistant tires, and a set of front and rear mechanical disc brakes for excellent and reliable stopping power. The GoTrax Emerge Electric Bike is perfect for commuting and everyday mobility. Get yours now and have it delivered to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description box below or visit us at electricbikeparadise.com. You can also contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise only here at Electric Bike Paradise.